Hey, hello and welcome back to the Man Cave. We're right in front of the window looking out on a gloomy day, unfortunately. But let's put this tempered glass screen protector on my brand new Model 12 GoPro. Will you pick that up? Can you focus? Yes, you can, I think. Tempered glass screen protector. There's instructions that they supply on the back of the box here, that Telesin supplies on the back of the box. Let's take these bits and pieces out of here. Set that there. Where are we? In range? Yeah, we're in range. They come in a plastic container. Let's empty them out. Here we go. We got wet and dry wipes. We've got the sticker guide. We've got the lens protectors themselves in these nice packaged containers. And this one actually I think slid out. So this one got away from one of those containers inside the shipper. So let's see what we do here. Okay, let's take these out of their covers. This is the protector for the front here, the front screen. Let's do that there. Let's remove the second one. This is the lens protector for the camera itself. And ultimately, that's probably the most important piece, as I said. And then ultimately, we have the protector for the back of the camera, which is a very large lens. I think if you busted this or scratched it, if you scratch this or break it, you can remove this lens. It's new camera time if you break that. Let's start off with the camera lens itself. Snip open the container, reach in, grab the wet wipe out, unfold it, make sure when we put it down we don't get in it, and I'm going to wipe down the lens. Then I'm going to open up the other cloth, which is the dry wipe, and we're going to wipe off the dry wipe. Wipe it off, pardon me, wipe it off with the dry wipe. As I look at it, I don't see any issues there. I'm going to set those two wipes. It's about that easy. That's all you need to do. And you need to give it a while to set down. And if necessary, you may have to push out on the edges to get a little of the, to get any trapped moisture out from underneath it. So we're going to get that. Next item, we're going to get the front facing screen done here. Going to use, again, start with a wet wipe. Really no dust on this because it's been in the box until just, actually until just today. Then dry it off with the dry wipe. Again, we're going to remove the adhesive on one side. Put that over here so we don't get it all over everything. And that's a little fiddly to put this down. Just lining it up on one side and setting it down. And I'm going to push it over just a touch. And then I'm going to push it down. Again, look for, you can see any trapped areas underneath. They show up as kind of like milky spots underneath there, but We got her in place there. All right, so protected. Let's move along. What do you say? Okay, we move along and we do the back, the big one. This is the one, this is, I guess you could say this is the money here, because if this does get scratched, as we pointed out, it's new camera time. So I'm going to use the wet wipe first, as we have been doing. Then use the dry wipe. These don't have to be 100% exact to fit in place. Of course, the obsessive person in me wants them to be that way, but you can have a little bit of a mismatch there, because you don't necessarily see that. But I'm going to take this off now, again, the protective piece, and here's where we try to line it up as carefully as possible, and your fingers always are a little bit in the way as you try to get it to let go and get it to set down. And that seemed to just drop in really nicely. Nice thing about these kits, I'll put the price of the lens protector kit down in the description area. But the nice thing about them is they are not expensive. So if you goof it up, you've got another opportunity. They're not all that expensive. Okay, let's fire this camera up. There she goes. Let's see how responsive it is to inputs. Yeah, still very responsive. So you don't lose any. I think they've made great strides in the cameras recently. You don't lose any tactile sensitivity or anything like that. So they've done very well. This one, you get it. It's working great. And it says we're on the dashboard on the back. So that's it. It's no more difficult than that. That's the installation of the Telesin tempered glass screen protector for my new GoPro 12. Hey, the next thing is, let's do a video with this thing, and let's capture it in action. Let's get it going. Talk to you later.